Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to change the default newly created folder name from new folder to any name in Windows. So without further delay, let's begin. So whenever we create a new folder, say just right click on your desktop, and now say whenever I create a new folder, it will always show a name starting with a new folder, right? So how you can change this default folder name from new folder to any name? So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run, and in the run you need to type this command name as regedit. Just type this name regedit, and after that click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard to open the registry editor. Now on the registry editor you can see here name H key current user, just select it, and after that just click on this arrow, and after that just select the software as you can see here, and after that once again click on this arrow, and now you can see here a Microsoft folder. Just select it and once again click on this arrow, and here just scroll down below and you can see here a folder name Windows. Just select it and once again click on this arrow, and now here you can see a current version. Once again select this folder and click on this arrow, and now you can see here a folder name as Explorer. Just select it, and now after selecting the Explorer just right click on it and select this new, and you need to create a key, new key. Just create this and give a new key name as naming templates and hit enter after typing the name. So type exactly the same name as you can see right now in the video, naming templates. Don't make any spelling mistakes, so you need to type this name as naming templates. So after that once again just right click on this naming templates and select this new, and after that select this string value. Now you need to rename this new string value as type rename name template. So type this name rename name template and hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now just double left click on it. Now in the value data you can give any name, so in my case I will just give UniqueTutorials. So I will be giving this name, so you can give any name, whichever name you want to give here. So in my case I'm giving a UniqueTutorials just to give you an example. Now click on OK. Now your all settings is done. So just let me minimize this and let me create a new folder. So right click on your mouse and say we'll create a new folder. Now you can see whenever you create a new folder, the default name will be UniqueTutorials. So finally we have changed the default newly created folder name from new folder to any name that is on which you like. So you can change the newly created folder name from new folder to any name using these cool tricks. So if you want to remove it again and want to restore it back to the new folder, then what you need to do, just right click on this naming templates again and just delete this registry that you have created. So whenever you create a new folder, say we'll let us create a new folder again, and now you can see it will be back to the default new folder name. So this is the cool tricks to change the default newly created folder name from new folder to any name in Windows very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.